Hello, everyone. Hi there. I am Renee Carbone Fleming, and I unapologetically inspire moms over 40 to build their fuck it fund and unleash their inner badass queen. And today I'm really excited to talk to you about a subject that I have been super passionate about, and that is personal branding. So I am going to pull up some slides and share my screen. Bear with me as this loads so that you can see. Okay, great. So again, personal branding. I am so excited to dive into and welcome you to this journey of empowerment and branding. So we're going to dive into personal branding, which really is a pivotal tool in the direct selling and network marketing industries. As the founder of Badass Queen brand, I've experienced firsthand the transformative power of a personal brand. Now, it's more than just logos and colors, it's about creating an authentic narrative that resonates with your audience. This journey has growth, it's definitely about personal growth, understanding your value and presenting it to the world. So, why personal branding? Why focus on personal branding, especially in direct sales and network marketing? In these industries, you're often one of like so many voices, right? So how do you stand out? How do you ensure that your message is heard amongst everyone else that is selling the same product that you are? Personal branding is the answer. It really does help you carve out a unique space, building trust and forming a deeper connection with your audience. Now, when I started the Badass Queen brand, it was more than just selling products or services. It really is and was about creating a movement where moms over 40, like many of you, could find their voice, their strength, and their entrepreneurial spirit. Now, let's talk about the Badass Queen story. This journey began from a place of passion and a desire to really make a difference. I realized that many moms over 40 were seeking more freedom, more financial independence, and more ways to express their inner strength. This realization was a turning point, and it led me to create a brand that wasn't just a business. It's a reflection of my own experience and hopefully a beacon for others to seek the same path. Every post, every product, every interaction is infused with the essence of what it means to be a badass queen. It is bold, authentic, and unapologetically powerful. So, we want to talk about building trust and credibility. These are the bedrock of a successful personal branding. So, how do you build that trust? Well, through authenticity and consistency. Every interaction with your audience is an opportunity to reinforce your brand values. So, for the Badass Queen brand, this meant being transparent about challenges and triumphs of being an entrepreneur. So, it's sharing stories, not just of success, but of learning and growth. My stories highlight how the Badass Queen brand has impacted lives, driving home the power of a brand rooted in authenticity and trust. We talk about connecting with your audience is really about understanding their needs, their hopes, and their dreams. For the Badass Queen brand, our audience is moms over 40. These incredible women are often balancing family, careers, as well as possibly their aspirations. So, our strategy has been to speak directly to these experiences, whether it's through social media posts that celebrate the journey, workshops that provide practical business advice, live Q&A sessions where we tackle real issues. Every touch point is an opportunity to strengthen our connection. It really is also about our three-legged stool strategy. Connect with your audience on social media, email marketing campaign, and good old follow-up and personal connection. Now, the role of social media. This is a love-hate relationship for sure. Social media is a dynamic and powerful tool for personal branding. Each platform is very unique with the ways that you engage with your audience. For instance, like Instagram has been fantastic for visual storytelling, bringing the Badass Queen brand to life through images and videos that inspire and motivate. LinkedIn, on the other hand, has allowed us to network with other entrepreneurs and share thought leadership content. Facebook groups have been instrumental in building our community, providing a space for interaction and support. Now, establishing yourself as a thought leader is a significant aspect of personal branding. It's about sharing your knowledge, your insights, and your experiences in a way that adds value to your audience. For me, this has involved speaking engagements, appearances, regular posts, regular email marketing on topics relevant to our community. These platforms have provided opportunities to discuss not just the Badass Queen brand, but broader topics about entrepreneurship, empowerment, and personal growth. Thought leadership is about giving back, sharing your learnings, and helping others navigate their paths. So I've been invited to virtual stages, podcasts, sharing my journey, and connecting with others. In this fast paced world of direct selling and network marketing, adapting to change is absolutely crucial. Whoop, there you go. Absolutely crucial. The market evolves, new trends emerge, and consumer behavior shift. Staying relevant means being flexible and responsive to these changes. And of course, for the Badass Queen brand, this has meant continuously evaluating our strategies, listening to our community, and being unafraid to pivot when needed. Whether it's adopting new social media platforms, exploring different content formats, or introducing new products and services, adaptation has been key to our success. A strong brand is nothing without its community. For the Badass Queen brand, building a loyal and supportive community, it has really been a priority for me. It's really more than just selling products, and I say that all the time. It's about creating a movement, a community where moms can share their experiences, support each other, and grow together. We've hosted events, both online, offline, to foster this sense of community. So, from webinars to possible local meetups, each event is an opportunity to strengthen our bonds and reinforce our collective commitment to empowerment. Now, as we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. Your personal brand is your legacy. It's how you present yourself to the world and how you'll be remembered. In the world of direct selling and network marketing, it's your most powerful tool. Embrace your unique story, connect authentically with your audience, and build a community around your values. I encourage each of you to reflect on your own branding journey and ask yourself, what's your story? What makes you unique? How will you share this with the world? Remember, every one of you has the potential to be a badass queen in your own right. It's just a matter of owning your power and making your mark. So I appreciate your time, and I want to share with you um, some fabulous opportunities that we can work together. And if you are interested in business coaching, I have a couple of different coaching programs. And I also am very proud to announce my Badass Queen branding packages where I can help you as a branding strategist to help brand your business. So you can contact me at Renee@reneecarbonefleming.com. I do have the ultimate badass queen bundle for you. This is chock full, my friends. This is complete to help you build a six-figure income. You'll receive in this bundle your Build Your Fuck It Fund, which is a training that's an empowerment journey. It's going to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's not just a guide, it's your ticket to freedom, financial independence, and really unleashing the fierce. You'll also receive in this Badass Queen bundle the Slay Your Side Hustle with the 5-Hour Work Week formula. This is really powerful. If you want to build your business in a 5-hour work week, buckle up and let's get going. You'll also receive in this bundle my Cash Flow Queen workshop, and this is going to dive into strategies that will optimize your cash flow. And you'll also receive my ultimate social media marketing blueprint in this. And this covers everything you need to know about leveraging social media for branding and marketing. This combined has a value of $1,497, but it's only 97 bucks. Okay. So you can just go ahead and order that on my website, in my stand store. But I'm going to give this as my gift to you free with one of my coaching programs. So again, I have a few coaching programs to choose from. You can choose my group coaching program, which is a 3-month weekly group coaching session. And it's really ideal for those that want to build their social media and need some foundational pieces step by step. And with this package, you're going to also receive my gold branding package for free. Okay, so I'll go over that. I also have a few openings for a private coaching program, and that is a personalized 3-month one-on-one coaching program. And it's really perfect for those who are ready to like scale up their business and thrive on a hands-on approach. And with that, you'll receive my platinum branding package for free. I'm also offering, if you want to dip your toes in the water, a 6-pack private coaching. For this, you're going to get 6 50-minute one-on-one coaching with me. And this is perfect because we can figure out the dates that work best for you. So it's not a, typical weekly, same time, same place. So depending on what you'd like. Okay. So the 3-month coaching program, to recap, with that, you're going to receive the Ultimate Badass Queen bundle valued at $1,497. You're going to receive my gold branding package valued at $697. This is $2,194 in bonuses for my group coaching program, which is only $337 a month for 3 months. Okay. Or if you go with my 3-month private coaching, you'll get my bundle at $1497. You're going to get my platinum package of branding, which is also valued at $1497. This is almost $3,000 in bonuses, and that's just $997 a month for 3 months. With my 6-pack private coaching, you're going to get the $1497 Ultimate Badass Queen bundle, which is fantastic, and that package is only $497 for the 6-pack. Okay. Now to dive into the branding package, you're going to see here with the platinum package, you're going to get a 50-minute strategy session. We're really going to determine your avatar, your audience, create your brand. I'm going to create a mood board for you. The mood board, we can go into more details on this, but it is your coloring, it is your font, it's your style, your logo I'm going to create for you. I'll also create your Facebook cover photo, your group photo, set up your milkshake, and I'm also going to give you a 30-day done for you plug and play content template. So what that means is 30 days of social media content completely done for you. All you got to do is plug and play. Now, the gold branding package with my group coaching program, that you'll also have a strategy session. That'll be a 30-minute session. You'll have a smaller mood board and one logo style. Plus, I'm going to give you that 30-day content. Okay. So I'm really excited about all of this. I appreciate your time. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever, and I'd be happy to schedule a call and see what package works best for you. But I'm really excited to help others build their business, stand out, and from all of the sea of everyone else in direct sales and network marketing. It has been quite a tool for me, something that has evolved over time, and which is why I am able to build multiple streams of income, because I've really focused on personal branding and have been successful in that. So I want to share that with others because I do feel that there's room at the top for everybody. So if you'd like to learn more, message me at Renee@ReneeCabonFleming.com or drop in my DMs. You can follow me on social media at Renee Cabon Fleming. And I'm happy to answer any questions or even set up a call to see whether or not this would be a good fit. Okay. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.